So you've decided you want to make a PCB that incorporates RF. Well, this experience can be fun or not fun, but please consider these topics that are going to be covered in this Whiteboard Wednesday video. Some of those topics include grounding, perhaps the most important. Consider dedicating an entire layer of your PCB to just grounding. This helps mitigate issues with electromagnetic interference, as well as providing direct paths to ground, which many aspects of your design will probably require. Layout. While laying out your design, consider having the different aspects of your design be in their own zone. Like the RF portion in its own zone, analog, digital portions in their own zone, power distribution in its own zone. This helps facilitate an easier way to read your PCB, as well as prevent unwanted crosstalk between the different zones. Simplicity. Making sure that your zones that you're creating for your different aspects of your PCB are relegated to boring shapes like squares and rectangles, because more exciting shapes happen to actually cost more money for you in the long run by having customized enclosures, or for shielding, customized shields for your different parts of your PCB. Antennas. If you plan on transmitting or receiving from your widget, you need to consider which type of antenna you want for your widget. A trace antenna is a great option for keeping your design compact, as well as it's a very cost-effective option. Shielding. Depending on the complexity of your design, you may have to incorporate a little more protection from EMI for the more sensitive areas of your circuitry. This can be either via fencing or physical enclosures, to name a couple options available. Testing. Once you have a working prototype, it would behoove you to test it to make sure that it does what it's supposed to do. This can be accomplished by test points, which could be exposed copper or physical connectors, strategically placed throughout the PCB that would then be integrated with various RF test equipment. Whether as a hobby or as a requisite for maintaining employment somewhere, keeping all these topics in mind during the whole design process will hopefully lessen your frustrations. That's it for this Whiteboard Wednesday. Thank you for watching, and stay grounded.